Bird's knees, dear. Hanger. Go.
Just leave a lead on hanger.
The sun is shining, the birds are singing, while they're shivering in the halls. Their little knees are knocking, not one's a stopping, and I'm sad for them all. They have to look at me from side to side to find a focus over their beak in the middle, don't you see? But birds' knees and birds' fleas, they're pecking their protein, see. Bird song all day long, they never leave their home. They never leave their home. Pecking politely at the feast, a three-toed spread. On each foot, it just makes me weak. It just makes me weak. But birds' knees and birds' fleas. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, while they're shivering in the halls. Their little knees are knocking, not one's a stopping, and I'm sad for them all.
No, man, it should have ended there.
It did nothing. It did end, and it was perfect. I'm still working on that. Love you.